celebrated when Mama Guy, is alive. You don't do that. You need peace and unity. After all, from the north to the south, east to the west, we are one people, one nation, a nation filled with rich history, the deeds of great men and distinguished women like Ya Asantewa, Idabura Japa, my very own Tagwe Charlie, Ni Takiteria, a nation filled with rich culture. Do you want me to prove to you? Do you want me to prove to you? Give me the rhythm from the land of my birth. With Tagbio and Mamao. At the end of every year, we sprinkle kokoi on the streets of Accra, and we do the Kologo dance with Nime and Name. Will show their feet to the beat of Adowa. Of Bamaya. We hop to the beat of Wongo. Now, everybody is dancing to the tune of Someha. Which is gradually taking over our traditional music. But we still enjoy Dr. Pablo Sosobrache.
Sosobrache. Adia efe na mkadewo. Eno sana, prawa nyaya. Pamusaba wamani. Don't you
This is who we are. We are one people. We like to drink palm wine, pito, akweteshi, to keep the spirit alive. We say hallelujah in the morning. We pour libation in the afternoon, and we shout Allah Akbar in recognition of our Almighty. This is who we are. One people, one nation. This is Nkume's Ghana, where the sun of liberation rose and shone upon the continent. Before we go to the south, let us go to the east. Get that bowl of Akwekwe Fetidechi. Eat your fill and lick your fingers. This south, where Otumfo Asei Tutu is decorated in Bore Kente and Ahiniba. This is who we are. Make some time, pay some respect, make some time, learn some wisdom from the Dinka symbol, like the Funtunfunu, Denchen Funenfu. Pay some respect to the Queen Mother of Ejisu, who held a gun. Who held a gun. Pay some respect to the Queen Mother of Ejisu, who held a gun to her breast when men fled with their chest. Look towards Ogwa, stand in front of the old slave castles and fasten your heart with courage. Listen to the silent dirge of the tearful walls when you walk through the door of no return. But drink the schnapps of hope and remember that we will not be held captives with the dungeons of that wall. We are one people, one nation. This is who we are. After all, from the north to the south, every woman, as long as you're black, you're beautiful. Whether you're short, big, small, or slim. Let some people do the Golomoshi dance. Let some people do the Adowa dance. But tonight, you all will travel to the water ring to do the Bobo dance.